Actually enjoy your veggies and lose weight too? Come cook along with me and learn how I lost 60 pounds and kept it off eating these meals. No plain boring veggies here. No salads here either. All of these recipes are crowd pleasers, yet so simple to whip up too. Learn to cook veggies with me and change your mindset about these colorful guys. Some of these recipes can stand alone, that's how good they are. Easy and family approved by my 3 teenagers. Follow along with easy step-by-step instructions and video. Yum! Follow for more!